Today I'm going to show what my sale invoice software does and how it works. First we will enter item name. When I enter item name, the system checks if the item exists in the database. If name is correct, it shows the item details. If it's wrong, it will show a message that item is not found. It will show a message that insert correct item. Now I will enter quantity. When I enter the quantity, the software checks if the stock is available or not. If quantity is more than stock, it gives an error message. As you can see, the stock of CD is 58. So if I enter 60, it will give a message. So let's enter 10. When I enter the quantity, it automatically multiply it with price and show the amount, and subtract quantity from stock and show remaining. If discount is empty, it keeps discount as 0. If it's not, then it will subtract discount from amount and show the total amount. Then I will press enter. When I will press insert, the invoice is added to the database and stock will be updated. As you can see, it has been inserted CD, quantity 10, price pay 500, amount 5,000, discount 10, total amount 4990, stock 48, remaining stock is 48.